Welcome. Today's video will show you how to pin a group conversation on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest web update on your PC. If you use X frequently to keep up with group chats, this feature will help you easily access your favorite conversations right from the top of your messages list. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once the X homepage loads, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and more. From this list, click on Messages. This will take you straight to your inbox where all your private chats and group conversations are listed. Now, scroll through your messages and find the group you want to pin. When you locate it, move your mouse pointer over that group chat. As you hover over the group, you'll see three small dots appear on the right side of the conversation. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, choose the option that says Pinned Conversation. The moment you click it, that group chat will instantly move to the top of your message list. This ensures it stays easily accessible no matter how many new messages come in from other chats. You've now successfully pinned your group on X using the web version. The pinned group will remain at the top until you decide to unpin it, making it super convenient for quick access to your most important discussions. That's all it takes, just a few simple steps to keep your favorite group chat right where you need it. If this tip helped you organize your inbox on X, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more quick tutorials about the latest updates and features across your favorite social platforms.